2019 Mazda CX-4 release date, 2019 Mazda CX-4 USA, Mazda CX-5 2019 4X4, Mazda CX-5 2019 4WD, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming from Mazda brand. The title of the article we take is 2019 Mazda CX-4 release date, 2019 Mazda CX-4 USA, Mazda CX-5 2019 4X4, Mazda CX-5 2019 4WD, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Mazda CX-4 release date, 2019 Mazda CX-4 USA, Mazda CX-5 2019 4X4, Mazda CX-5 2019 4WD, new cars by. Mazda CX-4 is one of the best crossovers Mazda ever launched. Australia will be the first country to be visited by this car. This crossover will be one of Mazda's mainstays that will compete with its other crossover. We have some information that may be your reference for the future. The smaller Mazda CX-3 and the larger Mazda CX-5 will probably be a difficult choice for you. 2019 Mazda CX-4, interior and exterior. Speaking of the external physical appearance, the 2019 Mazda CX-4 really should carry in excess of exactly the same style as its predecessor. It very substantially looks like a smaller edition in the CX-5. It truly is well proportioned, eye-catching, and very handsome. The front end will carry on using the very same shield-shaped grille, aggressive headlamps, and nicely sculpted hood. About the rear, you will find bigger tail lights, sporty bumper, and exhaust pipes that are not integrated to the bumper like just before. Moving towards the within, the 2019 Mazda CX-4 is high quality, comfortable, and well equipped. The dashboard is developed very much identical on one of several CX-5 models. It seems luxurious with good aluminum trims, leather inserts, and fascinating contrasting stitching. In addition, thanks to the greater rear windscreen, its visibility will be a lot improved. As to the tools, the 2019 CX-4 really should get extra common capabilities and we'll know much more right after the company's official announcement. 2019 Mazda CX-4 engine. The most recent layout may have equivalent editions of your motor as well as Mazda CX-5 design. Beneath the bonnet in the 2019 Mazda CX-4, you can discover a 2.0-liter SkyActiv motor. This type of the new 2019 Mazda CX-4 can make 150 horsepower and 150 pound-feet of twisting. The second sort of the motor is often a bit additional really effective. It is a 2.5-liter SkyActiv which could generate 180 horsepower and 180 pound-feet of twisting. Rumor release date and price. There is still no certain information about the release date and also the price of this car. For a price like this car will not be more expensive than the CX-3 and CX-5. Thanks.